Hey you guys, it's your girl Acosta here, and welcome to my channel, Lady Guesting Plans. Well, here on this channel we do all things related to planning, productivity, and creativity. And if that's something that interests you, I hope that you will stick around to the end of this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright you guys, I am getting ready to do a flip through of this new sticker book that I picked up from, where did I pick it up from? From Michael's. I picked it up from Michael's when I went in to look for something, and then of course I went over to the planner section. So it is called Modern Wild, and it came out in 2021. I have not seen this sticker book around on any of the other planner channels, so I'm not sure how old or how new this sticker book is, but I know I didn't have it in my collection, so I grabbed it because when I did a flip through of it at the store, it was something that caught my eye. So if you would like to see the stickers that are in this particular sticker book, stay tuned to this video. Alright you guys, so you all know, if you've been following me for a while, you all know that I take the elastic and I cut it and I put it through this hole up here so the pages can stay within the book. I have to fight with any long nails today because y'all, I went and got my nails done last week and I've started over pretty much. So alright, so we have that in there now, so let's go on and do this flip through. Oh, before I start flipping through the pages, this book has 929 pieces in it, and on the back it kind of just gives you a brief description of what the stickers look like. So let's get on with this flip through. Alright you guys, there you have it. That was a flip through of this Modern Wild sticker book by the Happy Planner. Again, it comes with 929 pieces. I do like this sticker book. I love the, I never can get it right, leopard or cheetah print. I really can never get that right and everything, and I love the kind of neutral type colors that comes with this sticker book. So this was definitely one that I needed to have in my collection. So maybe you can check out your local Michael's. I don't know if Joann's would even have it, but make sure you check your local Michael's store to see if they have this particular sticker book, or you can always go on the Happy Planner website to check to see what they have in stock and see if they have this particular sticker book. Alright you guys, thank you so very much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, give your girl a thumbs up, as well as leave me a comment down there in the comment section. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I need you to hit that red subscribe button, as well as that little notification bell right next to it, so you won't miss any new uploads of videos that will be here on my channel. Again, you guys, thank you so very much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.